Talent development doesn't necessarily mean that you have to be in a training class all day long. Talent development could also include setting up processes and systems to help cultivate talent within teams. And this brings me to another really important guideline for human resources that you should consider for your organization. You need to develop talent within your teams. Cross-functional training is a type of training and allows team members to perform different functions within the team. This can be helpful for new team members that want to figure out the best fit place in the team, or if a team member wants to try something different. This is also a really powerful activity because it allows team members to have greater understanding and generally appreciation for other functions within the team. For some teams, this could mean actually doing the function. For some, it could be shadowing another department. For others, it could be cross-functional collaboration. One caution about cross-functional teams is that excessive function hopping can lead to a jack-of-all-trades, master-of-none workforce. Be cautious to provide a balance of both time to develop and time to disrupt. Mentoring is another great initiative that you can instill in your team to allow more experienced professionals to invest in the upcoming talent. This is an effective type of knowledge sharing on an individual basis and allows deeper relationships within the teams. Partnerships are another type of initiative to grow talent. Partnerships are a little different from mentorships. In a mentorship program, one person is intended to build up another person. In partnerships, both parties are more explicitly intended to build up each other. In any case, training programs are not the only way to train talent. You can set up initiatives and systems that lend itself to effective talent development. So here's what I want you to do. Consider cross-functional training, mentorships, or partnerships in your team.